Luxury is much more than a price point. Luxury is the way that something or someone makes you feel. Luxury is an emotion. At Piatt Sotheby's International Realty, we define luxury by the level of service we offer our clients, the world-class marketing, the state-of-the-art technology, and the representational skills that we offer our clients. We don't just list your home, we tell the story of your home. We offer an iconic brand that changes how your home is perceived. Every client and every home deserves the best marketing available. We offer cutting-edge technology to our professionals and to our clients. With over 1,000 offices in 75 countries, luxury means showcasing your home to the world. It means superior representational skills. One of the pillars of our company is strong negotiation skills and strategy. Piatt Sotheby's International Realty. Nothing compares.